Alright guys, it's Thursday, I'm back, and let's talk about something that pissed me off. So I was texting with one of my clients and she was saying something like, oh, it's day 3, I'm back on my diet. And I got angry because I didn't know she fell off her diet. So I'm going to take a little bit of accountability on giving her too much trust and not following up frequently enough to make sure she's still on her diet because I didn't know she fell off her diet. So I'm pissed off because she fell off and now she's jumping back on, starting over again. And the point I'm trying to get across in this whole video is once you start your diet, you cannot stop, okay? The reason being is when you stop a diet, you cannot yo-yo diet. When you stop a diet, your body recovers or adapts to you having starved and makes it harder for you to lose weight and easier for you to gain weight and keep weight on. So let's break this down point by point, okay? So when your body thinks it's starving, when you're in a deficit, first of all, your basal metabolic rate, your metabolism slows down, making the energy production in your body a lot more efficient. So the calories in, calories out equation becomes a bit more challenging, okay? It's not as simple anymore because now you're storing energy a lot more efficiently, okay? It's a lot harder to burn those calories. So your metabolism slows down, which causes your fat loss plateau. So when you're in the deficit, you're losing weight, losing weight, losing weight. After several weeks, you kind of slow that weight loss down because internally your body has adapted. Your physiology has adapted to you being in a deficit, and now it's like, okay, this is normal. This guy's starving. Let's switch it up. Also, your hormones. This is the worst part. Let's talk about hormones a little bit, okay? So insulin goes down, hunger goes up. Leptin levels go down, hunger goes up. Neuropeptide Y levels go down, hunger goes up. Ghrelin, which is known as the satiety hormone or the stoplight green light hunger hormone, that secretion increases and your hunger also increases. All right, so your hormones have now also internally said, oh, this guy's or this girl's starving. Let's make it harder to lose weight and let's make it easier to put on weight. Let's make this person hungry. Okay, another point. You cannot yo-yo diet because once you've started the diet, your body is freaking out, like I said, but also the number of fat cells you have total increase, okay? So now you have more storage potential. And once you develop more fat cells, kind of like a cancer, bad example, but once you grow more fat cells, you cannot get rid of them. You can only shrink them, but you cannot get rid of them. I suppose you could get rid of them through liposuction, but let's not go there, okay? But a couple solutions. Let's talk about realistic solutions to maintaining that diet forever, to make it sustainable, okay? Because like I said, this has to be forever. Now, you are a human being, so a couple of things you can do. Number one, you can incorporate refeed days, okay? So this is kind of like, this is similar to having cheat meals, okay? So let's say your caloric limit is 2,200 calories per day. What you can do 5 days of the week, bring that limit down to, let's say, 1,700. So you're giving yourself a buffer of 300 calories. 1,700, 5 days in a row, and then what's 300 times 5 days? That's 1,500 calories. So on day 6, you can have a cheat meal. You can have your 2,000 limit, but go up a bit higher. So you can have about 3,300 to 3,500 calories. Okay, so that's your cheat meal. You can also take diet breaks, okay? So these are short-term planned diet breaks, not falling off your diet and just getting back onto it when you feel terrible about yourself once you put on a lot more weight. These are planned diet breaks, knowing that this is a long-term solution, and this is to mitigate the effects of essentially your body defending itself against starvation. Not really starving, but again, your body's freaking out. So take planned diet breaks. So for example, you can stick onto your diet for 6 weeks in a row. 1 week, you can let loose a little bit, reset your hormones, your body says, oh, okay, things are normal. So this is you outsmarting your body. You know it's already going to adapt. You get on top of it by planning diet breaks, okay? This is sustainable fitness, sustainable health and fitness. This is a long-term game. Once you start, you cannot stop. So you need to be prepared and know what the body is going to do ahead of time so that you can be on top of it. You can outsmart the internal defense system that makes weight gain easier and fat loss harder. All right, guys, stay active. Peace.